Hello, good morning. Timabur Police Camera January 29 de railway track de Anjan Muda ekta laga dead body recover gurushi kwase. Press release de Commissioner of Police Timabur Bagushi ke Northeast Wonder Railway laga station manager bra written memo ekta dishe kwase. Kote 30 to 40 sal laga muda ekta laga dead body doile railway track de ase goina khobor gura karne Timabur Police Camera incident hoa laga jaga de jaigana verification kurishe kwase. That body de takan phal bra inquiry kora biche de takan jana doile running train bra taike marigana morai dishe wana suspect kora laka janai dishe. Legal formalities kan sob complete kurigana that body doile Timabur District Hospital de postmortem examination aro identification garne raki dishe kwase. Timabur our youth organizations kan ba press release de gushike in these social elements aro arm influence pishi uti thaka laga opor ekta concern hoa laga janase kote public safety opor de threaten gura doile pishi uti ase aro peaceful coexistence de disrupt kuri ase goshe idu nisna la kam doile kanun do undermine kuri ase public khan ge phoi khelai di ase aro society de stable aro harmony thakya ke pishi dangor challenge ekta ase goshe TAYO khan bra sob jati manu khan ge kwase ge criminal intimidation aro lawless behavior kura manu khan laga khilaf te iki logode ekta hoigena khara kuribole laga janase TAYO khan bra aro kwase ki kun individuals hobi group khan hobi law laga bahar de operate kuribole laga eku hak nai goshe violent extortion aro intimidation doile civilized society de tolerate kuribole naparibo goshe TAYO khan bra responsible manu khan civil society organization aro communities leaders kan ge vigilant thakibole laga janase aro ND social elements khatam kuribo karne actively support kuribole laga janase chup chak eku nukuri gana poijashu gole do sandi pia kuribole besara manu khan hi tagat pai jabo goshe au yimgam busti laga incidents obode Timabur police kambra corporate ke chulde thuribole para karne DAYO khan ba Timabur police commissioner aro Nagaland DGP Ropin Sharma ke kushi ba laga janase DAYO khan ba aro janai dishe ke kanun laga hisab de justice to hoile deliver kuribo goina biswas wa laga janase aro dai khan ba aro janai dishe ke kun society hobi ki laga circumstances hoile bi kanun doile nije laga hatte nolobo lagi koshe husa aro lasting peace toile unity discipline aro mutual respect aro kanun laga bharosa brai hobo koshe Public Forum Pongro Subdivision Hambra State Bank of India khan ge SBI Pongro branch de field officer post kuribo karne 7 days final ultimatum do dishe kwase press release de gushi ge time dia nishna jidi posting kuri dia nai gushi gole do alak rasta nataka hoi jabo democratic aro peaceful measure laga hisab de SBI Pongro branch tak bi field officer posting nokora tak ponbi thaki dibole laga janai dishe Forum khan ba remind gura ase ke December 15, 2025 de SBI local head office dispute channel manager ke representation summit kurishe hoile bi eku jawab aha nai goshe Forum ba ko ase ki field officer absent hoa karne general public senior citizen hajara gura manu khan government scheme beneficiaries khan aro account holders khan bishi tuk pai ase goshe Forum bra ko ase ke specific officers appoint kuribo karne demand gura laga noi hoile bi SBI Pongro branch de field officers hoile bi appoint kuri gana kam doile continue kuribole laga janase Forum bra ko ase ke chiti SBI Pongro branch pon kuri dia laga humoy de inconvenience banking service de disruption noile ki consequences olabo idu laga doile authorities ba responsible lobo kosha Zugu Valley de joy ola laga opor de haro update kuri dia se chogali Friday din de Indian Air Force khan bra packet operation launch kuri she ase hoile bi visibility thik noha karne operation doile phalba jabole para nai ko ase Southern Angami Youth Organization la president bra ko ase ke weather thik na ha karne tuibar hi pani thali ke na operation do hele pon guri di she ko ase tai gushi ke joy doile 70% doile content guri she ko ase Mount Tempu area aro Chakama laga rasta de doile joy do itia nai ko ase hoile bi helibel laka niche de chui doile bishe hoigana control korobole naparigana ase koise packet operation doile aji Saturday din debi continue kurobo na janai dishe Churachambu district Manipur security force Canberra action manu laga hat par 36 kg laga opium do hoile sis kurubole parishe wase Manipur police Canberra press note janai di seke January 28 security force Canberra Letman Tang Hockey 45 sal ke Churachambu district ba arrest kurishe wase tai laga hat par 37 plastic container de opium do taligena paishe wase accused manu laga hat pra ekta 4-wheeler gari ekta mobile handset aro sim card bi seize kurishe koina statement de janai dishe ajila kopor do himande wind up kuri di ase chidi kumba manu notun sai thakile moram bra subscribe kuri dibi like aro share bi kuri dibi koina request kuri di ase thank you